Welcome to Research Rock. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that product name is a Sanag Bone Conduction headphone. No need to put a headphone in your ear. You just put it here in the bone point and listen the music and receive the call. I personally purchased this product from the AliExpress. I already added this link in video description. Currently price is €33 and this is the official website as well. You should visit on official website on purchase on official website, but some of the discount you receive if you purchase this product on AliExpress. Now we'll do unboxing, which types of product I am receiving, how to connect, how to use. We will see detailed demonstration. Let's check it out. So let's start as demonstration. Sanag Bone Conduction Headphone B33S. This is the very premium quality of box I am receiving. So now I just simply cut the wrapper. Box quality is really premium. Look at this inside the box, it's amazing. This is our product. So here is the magnetic, very smooth cable we receive. This is the magnetic charger. You can charge like this. The quality is quite good, impressive, very lightweight. I just connect in charging. Light is changed to red to green. Here the volume up, volume down and power key is showing. We receive here the magnetic charging cable. So we receive that much product. Now I just simply turn it on. This one, just simply pressing the middle button, this one. Look at this, is the headphone is a start. Now I just simply open here my Bluetooth, mobile phone Bluetooth, and inside the Bluetooth here this name is showing. Just simply connect, and this is the connect. I just simply play here one of my personal video. You can edit it anytime. Now I will show you how exactly look like after wearing this headphone. After wearing this one of the important point come here. This headphone is not entering in your ear. So this is the bone conduction headphone. This is the advantage of this product. Like 100%, I am not receiving any kind of noise or voice outside from this one. Same feel I feel after wearing my AirPod as well. So that one is really nice. On the back side, look at this here. You can enjoy after purchasing this product. The product quality is quite good, not so bad. For this price is really amazing product you are receiving. If you want purchase this product, link is available on video description. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.